right, here we are today with PIPETECH plumbing. We have got a leaking tub drain. And as you can see there, someone else has been trying to repair it and they haven't been able to get it out. Now, this is called the golden tub extractor. And it couldn't even get that drain out. But unfortunately, it did loosen it. All right, so the extractor has a lot of force. Actually broke the drain body of the tub as well as the ABS fitting. All right, I guess we're replacing the whole waste and overflow now. Stay tuned. All right, I got the old waste and overflow removed. Luckily, it was kind of broken out of there. Thank goodness we have a steel tub here. All right, the tub is hooked up again. That's how we do a water test. Fill the tub right up and pass the overflow. PIPETECH Plumbing and Gas. The goal is customer satisfaction with repeat customers, but no callbacks for issues. Perfect. It's draining. No drips. They may also have a problem with the wax ring on this toilet, but that is for another video. So stay tuned.